I am finally done with all the tiling in this bathroom. The floor is done. All of the walls are tiled. It looks so much better. There's still a couple of finishing touches I need to do with painting, trim, and woodwork. But it looks a million times better. I'm so happy that I finally put down this floor. What a difference it makes in comparison to the ugly, incredibly old peeling up vinyl. So I did fill the wood on the window and I painted the sill. So it's looking pretty good. Still need to paint up there. And I did paint the trim, but it's not exactly the right shade of white. One issue with putting in white tile is this is a very bright, new blue-toned, cool white. And the trim, even though I painted it white, is not the right shade because it looks kind of yellowish. I still need to put in a little bit of corner round over here. It was already left on the other side, so. But I filled in everything over here. So that's looking good. All in all, amazing. Here is the completed bathroom. All of the peel and stick floor tile, peel and stick wall tile. We filled in the missing chunk of wood at the door. We filled in the missing tiles in the back. Added some quarter round trim on the floor that was missing. Painted all of the trim. As always, thank you for watching.